I write f prime of x is equal to 0, does anybody know what that means? Or what this is right here? Yes?
Line doesn't have any slope.
Yes, correct. Another thing we could say is that that function has a slope of 0 at that point, or with this notation right here, we're saying at the point x, the slope f has a derivative of 0 at that point. And continuing on with that, if f prime of x equals 0, there's a term we have for that point x. Does anybody know what that term is? It's two words. It's something point. Does anybody know?
Critical?
Critical point. That's correct. So, as you probably know, the critical point obviously means the derivative of the function at that point is 0. So we have a good candidate for a potential minimum or maximum of that function, which is what we're looking for in an optimization problem. And for the last part, I'll just move over here. Do you guys know of any methods for verifying that we've found a max or a minimum once we have a critical point? First derivative test, that's one of them.
And second.
You guys think of any others? There's one or two others you maybe don't use as much, but if you have a problem with finite endpoints, you can check critical points and the endpoints. You plug all those into the objective function. If you want a max, you see which one gives you the largest value. If you want a min, you see which one gives you the smallest value. And as a final one, if you have a really simple objective function and you think you can graph it, you can always just do that and then just look on that graph to see where your min and max is. Most of the time that's probably too hard without like your graphing calculator, but if it's really simple, you could at least try that.